So I'm going to show you how, when you're looking at the probability distributions for a random variable x, if you have one of the probabilities missing, how you can determine what it's going to be. So this one wants you to determine what the probability of 11 is going to be. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to add up all the probabilities. So you got 0.04 plus 0.16 plus 0.06 plus 0.20. Okay, so if I add all that together, so if I do add this, be careful of the decimals. So remember, you got to be careful and be really exact with your decimals. So 0.04 plus 0.16 plus 0.06 plus 20 gives me 0.46. Okay, and to find that missing one, all I need to do is 1 minus 0.46. So you do 1 minus 0.46. It gives you 0.54. So that's what you're doing to figure out that one. I'm going to skip a little bit ahead because these are normal distribution problems. And I'm going to go here to number 6, where you're looking for the expected value of a profit. All right, so I want to do this, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a table. I'm going to do, let's do this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to do it this way, and I think I'm going to be good if I do it this way. Okay, so I'm going to do right here probability. And this is going to be gain or loss. Or let's do this. Yeah, gain or loss. Let's try it that way. All right. So first one is 0.25. And they said this is a loss. So this is going to be negative. Okay. And then this is going to be 0.20. And this is a gain of 18,315. Okay. And then the next one is 0.15 times, or plus, oops. And I'll show you why I'm doing this in just a second. 49,002. All right, and I'm going to add one more. I forgot to do that. So then I'm going to do this, insert below. So then I've got a probability of 0.40, and this is 0, okay, plus 0. All right. So I want to find what I got, okay? So what you're going to do is the first one to get this one right here, it's going to be 0.25 times negative 37,729. So I get negative 9,432.25, okay? So if I'm doing my investment based on everything that I had, the probability of losing is going to be that, negative 9,432.25. Okay, so then my next one is 0.20 times 18,315. So I get positive 3,663. Okay, why am I keeping the negative and the positive? So I can keep it straight. Okay, and then the next one is 0.15 times $49,002. So if I do that, I get another positive. I get 7,350.30 cents. Okay, so I can do this one. 0.40 times 0 gives me 0. So I don't even need to worry about that. All right, so what do I do next with all this? All right, so to get my answer, I'm going to add all of these together. So I'm going to do negative 9,432, 0.25 plus 3,663, plus $7,350.30. All right. So let's add this together. So I'm going to do, just to make my life easier, I'm going to do 3,663 plus 7,350.30 cents. So I get $11,013.30. And then I subtract $9,432.25. So I get a positive of 1,581.05. Okay, so what happened? So think of it this way. When you are investing in the stock market and you have different things, say you have stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Well, sometimes your stocks, you may gain money in your stocks and you may be losing money in your mutual funds. Well, what happens at the end of the day is they take the average, or not the average, they take your amounts for each one of those sections and they add it together. And that's how you get, if you have like a portfolio, what your current balance is. And that's basically what we did. I just broke it into a table to make it look what was going at. And I'm just going to put this here, actual amounts. Okay. So that's how you do that. Take your probabilities, you multiply it by what, either if you have a profit or a loss, you get the actual amount, and then you add those together. That's how you do expected value.